So, tell me about your first Glitza experience.
It was really good. It was really good. I enjoyed it. It was definitely really easy to do, easy to like cope with.
Look at camera.
Loads of different colours.
I'm not sure what you got to see beforehand or from our showroom, but was it what you expected?
No, not really. To be fair, I know you said there was an Instagram site, but I didn't really look at it properly. But I checked some pictures that were on the Facebook group. But besides that, that's pretty much it. Like, didn't think it'd be like this too. Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Is there anywhere else in your everyday life that you could see yourself using Glitza besides where you got to use it today?
Probably during like festivals. I can see myself doing that because I know mine is in England just like wet. So like a lot of people like go there or like a night out or something like that. Yeah.
That's good. So can you see yourself using it by yourself or with friends or maybe some younger cousins? Like who can you see yourself using Glitza with?
Friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mostly with friends?
Probably also like younger siblings. A little bit, yeah.
Cool. Is there anything else you want to tell us about about tonight?
It was just really fun.
All right. Well, thank you. You're all done.
Thank you so much.